Let me ask you a question. If you start driving your car without deciding where you want to reach, would you be able to reach at any place? If you shot an arrow without focusing on the target, would you be able to hit the target? Because unfocused arrow will reach anywhere. Today we'll talk about goals and how to set it for your benefit. You know what? Everyone wants to live a happy and fulfilled life. And everyone wants to become successful, and they keep working hard towards it. But they are unable to accomplish anything until they have set destination or targets in their mind. So setting goals is very important. It's like a rocket without a fuel, which keep moving in the space, but unable to reach at its destination, maybe moon. So our life without goal is like a rocket without a fuel. So goal works like a fuel in our life, which keeps us oriented towards our targets. So let's understand its few benefits. Firstly, it's all about organizing. By setting goals, we organize our brains according to our day, according to our priorities. It makes us architect of our day, ultimately architect of our life. You might have seen in companies also, they give targets to their employees just to bring out best in them, just to make them more productive and efficient and take them out from their comfort zones. It happens in our life also. By setting goals, we become more productive, creative and more efficient. It brings out best in us. Secondly, it's all about prioritizing. Bringing the focus to the most important thing at a point of time. Doing the right thing according to your priority throughout the day. Otherwise, by the end of the day, you don't feel accomplished and fulfilled. You regret. Setting goals is all about making right choices, taking right decisions. You have so many things in your mind. You have so many alternatives at every moment. You have to decide what is right for you, what is important for you, what is your priority, which bring the desired result in your life. Suppose you are watching Netflix and playing some video game, and you have been playing for long. You have already crossed your time limit. I am telling you, you won't be able to stop until you have some target and goal in your mind. If you set the target and goal in the morning itself, that goal won't allow you to continue. So setting goals is all about training your mind according to your priorities. Third, setting goals makes you more responsible towards yourself and towards your life. Otherwise, you will spend your day in distractions which will not take you anywhere. You have come here to realize your dreams, to make difference, to live a happy and fulfilled life.
On the screen in front of you, there is a long staircase, say around 10,000 stairs. If you were asked to climb it, do you think you would be able to? Now, if you were given say 10 stairs to climb, I think we'll all agree that it's a piece of cake. That's how it works in real life. You must have some long-term goals and they must be ever present in your subconscious that yes, I want to achieve this. But for now, keep small goals for yourself for every day according to your capacity. Perseverance is key. Make small goals for the day but make sure to complete them. Another thing is that don't be afraid to dream big. Set high long-term goals and then look forward to accomplishing them step by step. Small steps every day. For example, if you shoot an arrow to hit a target, you need to aim at least 30 degrees higher than the aim. And writing your goals means you are sincere about this. So set long-term goals, maybe for a year or 2 or 5, and keep a broader picture in your mind. Also set your daily, weekly or monthly goals. Make a journal for this and keep writing or revising your goals on daily basis to improve your focus. Writing means revising our goals daily.
Because something magical happens when you write down your goals. It changes your dreams into reality. Let's get to it, people. Start dreaming big and working towards realizing it. While sharing, I am also imbibing. Let me know if you found it useful. Please like, share and subscribe. Lots of love to you. See you in the next video. Bye.